Hi there, I'm known as Audio, and I know that's a bold claim, but I am Audio on Twitter, which is now X. I've had that handle since 2007 when I had my online audio school. So I now feel like I've come full circle, and I want to just share I just want to talk to you. Like having had lots of experience around all this, building online schools, playing guitar, making music, doing production, AI coming along. I mean, can you imagine, when I started my audiocourses.com back in the late 90s, can you imagine what would have been possible if I had AI then? So I want to talk about AI. Of course I do. I want to talk about music production tips. I want to play guitar, help you play guitar, and I help you become a better musician. I think the educator's strong in me, and I want to come back and do some more of that. So that's what we're going to do. I hope you're along for the ride. Generally, this is going to be the place where I'm going to talk most. Keep doing guitar tutorials, do music production things, have commentary about what I'm doing, maybe even interview some producers in the future and all that kind of stuff. It's lovely to have your engagement. Thanks very much.